Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back using a rubber band, roll the hair in on itself, and then loosen the sides using your fingers. Coming to the base, make a braid out of the base portion of the hair, tie a rubber band to it once you're done. Once again, loosen the sides of the braid using your fingers and wrap it up into a bun. Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back, tie a low ponytail, tie a rubber band at the base, roll the hair in on itself and pull it through the top. Fasten it using a pin. Next, tie a low ponytail, make a section through the top, roll the hair up and then loosen the sides using your fingers. Now, once you are done with this, tie a rubber band at the base, once more twist the hair, wrap it up at the top, add a decorative rubber band. Next, tie a low ponytail and make it loose. Tie another rubber band at the base, roll the hair up, add a multiple pronged decorative clip in order to fasten it in its place. Take a section of the hair off the top, tie a rubber band to it, add another ponytail to the bottom, tie a rubber band at the base, once again make space for it and wrap it up into a bun. Add a decorative clip. Leave out two sections of the hair in the front and then tie a ponytail at the back. Make two divisions out of the ponytail at the back and then twist each of these sections in on themselves, wrap one into the other and use a multiple pronged pin in order to fasten it in its place. Taking the two sections of the hair from the front, wrap it around your bun. Tie two sections of the hair up at the back and then tie a low ponytail. Add another rubber band at the base and then twist the hair in on itself. Wrap it up into a bun by lifting it up. Take two sections from either side and then tie a knot at the back. Tie a rubber band once you are done with this. Then tie a low ponytail, add a rubber band and then roll the hair up as such. Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it and tie it up more towards the right side. Taking the left section, pull it through the right and then make a braid out of the hair. Roll it up and fasten it in place. Take a section off the top, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Tie a rubber band to the middle of the section and once again twist the hair as such, pull it through the top section. Make two braids out of the back and then roll these braids upwards and fasten it in place. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then twist it and pin it up. Tie a ponytail at the bottom, once again twist the hair in on itself, roll it up into a bun. As for the rest of the hair, twist one section of it over the other after making two sections and wrap it around your bun. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then begin to braid it. Tie a rubber band to it. Tie a low ponytail, twist the hair in on itself, bring the braid through the initial section. Take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back, roll it in on itself, tie a low ponytail and then wrap the bottom portion of the hair into a bun. Take a section off the top, tie a rubber band to it, divide the back portion of the hair into two parts and then make two braids out of it. Roll it upwards as such and fasten it in its place. Take a section from the top and tie a rubber band to it and then make a braid out of the section. Once you are done with this, divide the other portion of the hair into two more braids as such. Join all of them together and then wrap it up into a bun. Take the hair, join it all in a ponytail, add a rubber band at the base and then roll this in on itself. Roll it into a bun. Thank you for watching.